This tutorial will cover how you navigate a course in Schoology. Once you have logged in and joined the course, usually it takes you right to your home page. You can find your courses underneath the course menu. Just click on the menu icon, which is like a little white triangle, and you can choose your course. If you haven't joined a course yet, all you have to do is click on join and put in the course code. If it's a group that you're part of, whatever groups you're part of are underneath groups. If someone sends you an invite to join a group or gives you a group code, you can click join and join the group. So let's go back to courses. So these are the different courses that I'm enrolled in. Let's take a look. If I want to work on Dorman Land's test class course, all I have to do is click on the link and it takes me into the course. Courses are organized by folders, and it depends on your course creator if you just have one main folder or you'll see a bunch of different folders to work through on the main page. Mr. Land has set it up so that everything has been put into one big folder. So when I click on his energy unit folder, I see all the different parts of this energy unit. Each one is a different item to work through. When you work through a course, you are to go from top to bottom. So one way to navigate through a course is by simply clicking on the link to see what the activity is. Once you are done with an activity, there is a next button that will take you to the next part of the course. And if you notice, once you're in the next part of the course, if you want to navigate back to a previous section of the course, you simply click on Previous. If you'd like to see the whole course, you can click back on the main folder and see all the items that are part of the course. Now, some courses will be set up that you need to work through each item before you can go to a next item. How you can tell that is by seeing underneath the different pieces of the course. It will tell you, I viewed this item. It'll say, I must make a submission, or I must view an item. It'll tell you what you have to do in order to move the next section. And if you notice, this is gray. So if I click on Bill Nye, Energy, must view the item, I'm trying to click on it. Notice this link is not letting me get there. Why? Because in the Share Energy folder, I have not made a submission yet. So if I click on the Share Energy folder, assignment, sorry, and I need to submit my assignment, notice also up here, I do not have the next button option. It's here but is grayed out. And it even tells me you cannot proceed until you've completed the current item or until it becomes available. This will depend on your course creator. Some people will not set their different course items up that you have to complete them to get to the next one. And then that would allow you to jump around. But in this course, I can't click on any of these other items because I have not completed the prior item. So once again, I'll show you that. If I'm in Introduction to Energy and all I had to do was view the item, I do have the next. When I'm in the Share Energy folder, I don't have next because I haven't completed the assignment. To return to an overview of the course content, simply click on the name of course. Another feature that can be helpful to you is student progress. When you click on the student progress button, it will give you a snapshot of what you've completed in the course. Depending how the course sets up is if you will have one folder or multiple folders. But if you want to see what work you've completed in a certain folder, simply click on the folder menu icon and it can show you where check marks in progress means you're in progress, and percentages mean whatever percentage you've completed. So these will, depending on what type of these are in the different folders or for the different